I'm Scott Wallis. I am the Global Operations Lead for Emissions for SCORE. So we specialise in valve and emissions management. So we have an end-to-end solution for our clients for reducing component level emissions on their facilities. So at the moment we've developed a new emissions management software solution. So this is one that tracks the environmental performance of our clients' assets and also facilitates the maintenance execution as well. Attending this conference was a great opportunity for us to network and meet new companies within Europe that have challenges around component level emissions reduction. We sponsored one of the sessions, so had an opportunity to speak around digitalisation, which was a hot topic for us because we've recently developed a new software solution with our digital partner. We had an opportunity to take the stage and tell people about our solution and how it overcomes some of the challenges that they face in industry, particularly around digitalisation. They were very good. Our manager arranged these for us, so we had our own VIP room where we could go, get some peace and quiet and talk to end users about their challenges. It's absolutely critical to meet new people all of the time. You know, we're in strange times. There's some incredible challenges that operators in all industries are facing. So to be able to come to an event like this and meet these people has been fantastic for us to get some insights into where they're at and what their challenges are, and also to offer potentially a solution to help them overcome their challenges. I think it's been very well organised. Sponsoring one of the sessions has been great for us. We've had our own VIP room where we've taken clients to talk in peace and quiet. I think it's been well organised, yeah. Irina has been lovely, always helpful whenever we've needed anything, and she's chased us up as well when we've needed to be somewhere to meet someone for something she's organised, so fantastic. Absolutely, yes. We all have to become sustainable, so events like this are fantastic to give end users and manufacturers and service companies like us opportunities to network and get together.